Hi there. Please follow these simple steps to save and spend from your savings funds. Let's say in July you want to start saving for a trip. You decide to save $500 for your travel fund. First, you budget $500 for your travel fund. Then, under the transaction tracker, you enter a transaction of $500 to your travel fund. That's it for July. In August, you're ready to book your flight. You want to withdraw $500 from your travel fund to purchase plane tickets. First, you budget -$500 for travel fund. Then, under the transaction tracker, you record a transaction of -$500 from your travel fund, which is seen as a withdrawal. Now, you have $500 available in your budget this month to allocate to travel. Next, you budget those $500 for travel. And under the transaction tracker, you record the actual expense of $500 for the plane tickets. That's how you handle spending from savings. In September, you're both saving and spending from the same fund. You want to save $800 for your travel fund, but you also want to purchase plane tickets for $500. First, you budget $800 for your travel fund. Then, under the transaction tracker, you enter a deposit transaction of $800 to your travel fund. Now, when you want to withdraw the $500 for your plane tickets, since a withdrawal is a negative transaction, you need to budget -$500. $800 minus $500 equals $300. So your budget for travel fund adjusts to $300, the net amount. This is how much you intend to save this month specifically. Then, under the transaction tracker, you record a withdrawal of $500 from your travel fund. Next, you budget $500 for travel for plane tickets. And last step, under the transaction tracker, you record the actual expense of $500 for the plane tickets. To recap, you added $800, withdrew $500 as a negative transaction, and then spent the $500 on plane tickets. To check your balances, always refer to your savings funds balances on the Savings tab. That's where the calculations are automated based on your entries from each month. And that's how you save and spend from your savings funds. What other budget template features do you want me to cover? Comment below and I'll add it to my tutorial list. Happy budgeting!